What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a safe quarantine. Today's a very short video. I'm late to reacting to this, but I still want to talk about it. So, a couple of days ago, Donald Trump was talking about chloroquine, which is basically an anti-malarial med. And he was talking about this as if it's the next cure to COVID-19. I'm going to read some of the quotes he said. It's shown very encouraging early results, and, and we'll be able to make that drug available almost immediately. And that's where the FDA has been so great. They've gone through the approval process, it's been approved, and they did it. All right. Well, it later turns out that's a horrible impression. I'm not Alec Baldwin, okay? But basically, the FDA has never said any of that. And there's no concrete evidence that chloroquine works for COVID 19. It's all anecdotal. So there was a statement later from FDA immediately after Donald Trump said this, stating that, yeah, we never said any of that. Today, I read an article, and basically the headline is Nigeria records chloroquine poisoning after Trump endorses it for coronavirus treatment. Yeah, let me just read the first sentence. Health officials in Nigeria have issued a warning over chloroquine after they said 3 people in the country overdosed on the drug. Well, you know what? That's what you get for listening to Trump for your medical advice. Always double check everything he says. Like a lot of the presidential stuff, a lot of politics stuff flies over my head, but this healthcare stuff, I would know, right? And it, the blatant lie of it is this guy doesn't care about your health, man. He's like a snake oil salesman. All he cares about is his economic numbers, which he's not going to get because this virus totally screwed everything up. And you can tell this guy is petty, right? He goes up to a press conference and says, "Oh yeah, this Chinese virus." There's a little bit of pettiness when he said that, and I think he was pissed off that he had to be put into this situation. Oh, poor Donald Trump. You didn't get that. You didn't get your economic numbers, huh? God, instead of just you think that was going to get you reelected? I'll tell you what. If you do a good job of containing this virus, that's going to get you reelected. None of your economic numbers. So why don't you work on that? All right. Next thing I wanted to talk about was the Pearson VUE temporarily shutting down. Now, for those of you who don't know, Pearson's is basically a test proctor. So pharmacists, I think doctors, I don't think lawyers, but nutritionists, basically any standardized test that needs to be done goes through Pearson's VUE. And I'm sure some of you might know it. It's cubicles with a computer screen, and you do multiple choice tests, and then you walk out. That's basically them. That's their service. But they had to shut down due to COVID-19. So all the prospective healthcare professionals can't get licensed right now because they can't take the test. So, I mean, what are these people going to do? They're essentially unemployed too. Or I guess they could work as an intern for much less pay. Not doctors though, because maybe not doctors. I'm not so sure about that. But like, yeah, essentially there's another wave of unemployment. Like this coronavirus is, my God, it's found that kink in the armor of our economic bubble. For the longest time, we all knew that this was an economic bubble, but there was nothing that could really deflate it, right? Until this virus came about. And yeah, that's a topic for a whole nother video. But basically, watch out, guys. It's gonna be crazy, not just from this virus, but also our future in economics. So stay safe, guys. Hope you guys are having a great night. And I'll talk to you later. Oh, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. All right? All right, guys. Peace.